toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Head toss, check.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a dip powder unboxing and review for ECBASKET. First, we're going to do the unboxing, and then I'll do a quick demo and give you my opinion on the whole set. Set is very complete and comes with absolutely everything necessary to do a complete set and design with using the dip powder. It comes with detailed instructions as well as contact information in case you are not happy. You don't gotta fight it alone. And here we have the package contents, including the primer, base coat, activator, top coat, brush saver, nail file, nail dust brush, dipping powder tray, and 4 of the dipping powders. Each of the dipping powders are 10 grams each, so they are kind of small, but remember, when you're doing dip, the powders will last a long time. First, we have the dust brush, and it's very soft. It is the standard dust brush that comes in these dip powder kits. Nothing special, synthetic hair, but it does have the little bling crystals on it. Next, we have the dip dish. This is so that if you are using this on clients, you're not contaminating the powder jars. You just put what you need in there, and you can dip from there. So each bottle is labeled, and so it's pretty self-explanatory what each one is, so I'll let you go ahead and watch this portion, including what the powders look like, and I'll be back to start the testing process. You don't gotta fight alone. Inside your self-righteous symphony, I would rather let this go than to bring it up again. But everyone I know. So now we're going to start the process, and this kit did not come with a clear, so I'm using my own Beetles dip powder for the clear layers, and then I'm going to be using these light pink and rose pink colors for the nails, And for this, I only did 2 nails on camera and then did the rest off camera, including the filing and shaping, only because this is a review video and not necessarily a watch me work. I just wanted you to see on these 2 nails how everything was done. I believe I kept in the clear for all the nails, but the process is very long, so I didn't think that you wanted to see the boring part of just dipping all these nails. So I did the light pink and the dark pink when I got to the colors on camera, and the rest I did off camera. So I've done the primer on all 4 nails, and now I'm going to add the base to the first layer 2 nails and going to dip the 2 at the same time. With dipping, you can dip multiple fingers at a time. It's really a matter of what will fit in the jar and beating the clock. So.
I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me why. I know, no, you won't save my life. Save my life. Keep on your making the waves. You and I will never be safe. Be safe. If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground?
Now that we have the clear on all the nails, we're going to start with the color layer. The clear is to assure that you're going to have the proper apex built and that you're not wasting the colored acrylic by building an apex. Colors at first glance are really pretty and sparkly. We have the light pink and now the rose pink colors. They look really nice. So now we're going to start with the light pink on the accent finger, and then I'll go through and do the rose pink or the darker pink on the other fingers. And remember, I'm only doing one of each color on these nails for the video. the activator and the shaping and refining of the nails is going to be done off camera, just to save some time, because this is only a review video and not a watch me work. So because these are smaller jars, the whole nail does not fit in, so I am using my little glitter spoon to scoop the powder towards the cuticle area.
These lights all around me.
And then you tap off whatever's remaining and then dust it off. And that way you're not getting any on the brush. It's not going to build up funny. And so I'll just let you watch me work. And I'm going to go ahead and skip to the end of the video so that I can tell you what my final thoughts are.
Baby, keep on, you're making the waves. You and I will never be saved. Be saved. If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground? If the walls come down, will you save me?
To leave this town, cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me like, oh, I'm dreaming of you. I dream of a new night. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close and cool like this fire. So reach for the stars, cause we're aiming high. You can't wait to see me now, cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Oh, like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again. Oh, my love, it's you and I. Close, close and cool like this fire. So reach for the stars, cause we're aiming high.
So my final thoughts on this kit is I like the fact that it came with absolutely everything necessary to do a complete set. However, although I made it work, the powder is very grainy. I'm going to test it out using it as regular acrylic powder because I feel like this powder was not necessarily made for being a dip powder. It's very grainy and very hard to work with. Also, I think that's about it. The colors are very pigmented, but I just feel like the powder itself was very difficult to work with, which is one of the reasons why I did most of it off of camera versus doing a full video on camera. As you see, it's very translucent, and that's after 3 dips on each finger of the colored powder. I don't know. I would not buy this powder myself, and I hope that this allows you to make the educated decision whether it's something that'll work for you. I'll do another video using this powder as an actual acrylic powder versus the dip. Anyways, I hope that you guys did get something out of this video, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks again for watching, and see y'all later!